guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about Sidecar. This feature has been around for a while now, but I just want to show you the feature in case you didn't know. So Sidecar is a feature where you can use your iPad as an external display to your Mac. So to connect Sidecar, go into System Preferences, Displays, and I'm on macOS Ventura right now. So on macOS Ventura, just click the plus and then choose your iPad. Now I have chosen my iPad. You can click Arrange to arrange your displays. So right now I have my MacBook Pro here, and then I have my monitor here, and then my Sidecar here. So what I'm going to do right now is just move my monitor a bit higher and then my Sidecar here. Now click Done. Now let me quickly okay, so here, this is my monitor, this is my Sidecar display, and then this is the webcam. And for the webcam, I'm using continuity camera. So so since this is basically a monitor, I can drag this down. So this is a window. And right now I am using a wired connection, so the latency is not too bad. But if you did use like a wireless connection, expect your latency to be a bit more. So these are all the controls. This will bring your menu bar here down. This button will bring your dock up. This is Command, Option, Control, and Shift. This is, I think, undo or delete. This is your keyboard button, and this is the disconnect button. If I opened Safari, for example, on the bottom, you can see this touch bar. This touch bar acts the same as if you had a touch bar on your Mac. In Sidecar, this is a very affordable option. If you already have an iPad and you need an external display. And I can drag any window down. However, my iPad is a bit small, so the apps will have to scale down a bit. So basically, since my monitor is on top of my iPad, I can't exit this app because I'd have to, it's very difficult because I'd have to keep my cursor at the top to get the exit button. So I can just click on this button, and then this will bring the menu bar down and I can exit. And I can drag any application down. So I have my Finder here. I'm gonna put the dock up. We have Launchpad here. So this is a pretty short video, but that's it for now. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. This is Sidecar on Mac. Bye!